There are so many different kinds of valuation methods, but some common methods are the discounted cash flow, known as DCF, which are based on projected future cash flow and is then discounted back to present value. Multiple comparable method is another popular method that looks at similar companies to determine a company's value based on the market multiples, like price to earnings. Precedent transaction is another one that compares the company to similar companies that have been involved in recent M&As. Asset-based valuation is a simple calculation that focuses on the value of a company's asset, subtracting liabilities to determine the equity value. But in relevance to Cambodia and given the stage of development of the entities here, this limits to maybe about 2 common valuation methods, whereby most valuation professionals will focus on either the income-based approach, utilizing the DCF method, or the market-based approach utilizing the multiple comparable method. Picking one of these methods depends on the type of business, the industry, the availability of financial information, and the current development of the entity. So some pros and cons while using multiple comparable methods are that it is quick, it's easy to input the figures, and there's fewer assumptions than DCF, which captures the market better using the daily data. The cons are the choice of companies can be subjective. It's difficult to identify companies that are within the peer group, and it's difficult to adjust the intangibles. As for the DCF method, the pros are the value can be justified using the projected free cash flow. It's self-sufficient and does not need to rely on comparable companies. The cons are that it's sensitive to assumptions such as growth rate. It's also dependent on the accuracy of the future performance. At OBOR, we perform several business valuations and are happy to provide our expertise on this subject, so please feel free to contact us for more information on financial valuation.